This roundabout has 5 exits. If you are coming from the industrial zone and building material shops, that is one exit. From the left side, second exit to the Mission Road, third exit to the railway station, fourth exit to the Lynchford Road, fifth exit to A3011 dual carriageway. So altogether there are 5 exits in this roundabout. On the other hand, this roundabout is very important roundabout for the driving lessons. Most of the times driving instructors are coming through this roundabout. This is not a difficult roundabout. There are 2 lanes inside the roundabout, easy to drive. So pass the exam. Please practice this roundabout many more times. Then definitely you can pass through this roundabout. If you are happy about this video, please subscribe and give a comment to my video. Thank you very much. Another thing is, always don't try to follow the test routes. My idea is you have to practice all the roundabouts in this area. I will try to post many more videos about Farnborough roundabouts related to the Farnborough Test Center. Thank you very much for watching my video.